enjoy learning about modern, high-tech fighters shaping today's military aviation, subscribe to the channel and follow our content. Today, we will explore the JF-17C Thunder, a multirole fighter born from a partnership between China and Pakistan, designed for efficiency and versatility. The JF-17 Thunder, also known as the FC-1 Xiaolong in China, represents a significant milestone in Sino-Pakistani military cooperation. Developed by the Chengdu Aircraft Corporation (CAC) and the Pakistan Aeronautical Complex (PAC), the fighter was designed to deliver high performance at a relatively low cost, making it accessible to air forces seeking modernization without massive investment. The JF-17C, also referred to as Block 3, is the most advanced version of the family, incorporating substantial upgrades in avionics, weaponry, and survivability systems. Introduced in the early 2020s, it elevated the Thunder's capabilities to a new level, placing it closer to advanced fourth-generation fighters, with some features even associated with fifth-generation designs. Visually, the JF-17C features refined aerodynamic lines, with side-mounted air intakes and an optimized fuselage to reduce drag. Its lightweight structure, made from metallic alloys and composite materials, contributes to high maneuverability. Power comes from the Russian Klimov RD-93 turbofan or the improved WS-13 variant, enabling a maximum speed close to Mach 1.6, with strong climb and acceleration performance. In the Block 3 version, the cockpit underwent a complete modernization, featuring a large area multifunction display LED that centralizes critical flight systems and target information. The pilot also benefits from a helmet-mounted display (HMD), allowing targets to be locked and engaged simply by looking at them, significantly increasing lethality in air combat. The radar was also completely upgraded. The JF-17C is equipped with an AESA active electronically scanned array radar, offering greater detection range, simultaneous tracking of multiple targets, and enhanced resistance to electronic countermeasures. This advancement gives the fighter an edge over opponents, still using conventional mechanical radars. In terms of armament, the JF-17C is extremely versatile. It can carry short and long-range air-to-air missiles, such as the PL-15, capable of engaging targets over 200 kilometers away, as well as laser-guided air-to-ground missiles, smart bombs, and unguided rockets for close air support. This flexibility enables the Thunder to perform air superiority, ground attack, maritime strike, and even electronic warfare missions, depending on its loadout. The Block 3's electronic warfare suite was enhanced, including internal radar warning receivers (RWR), chaff and flare dispensers, and the option to carry external pods for jamming and communications disruption. This protection greatly improves survivability in high-threat environments. One of the most attractive aspects of the JF-17C for many countries is its cost-effectiveness. While modern Western fighters can easily exceed $80 million per unit, the JF-17C costs significantly less, both in acquisition and operation. This makes it a viable alternative for nations that cannot or do not wish to invest in more expensive platforms. Pakistan, the primary operator of the Thunder, has used the aircraft in various patrol and air defense missions, and it has demonstrated its effectiveness in international exercises. The fighter has also attracted interest from countries, such as Nigeria and Myanmar, which seek to enhance their air capabilities with modern technology. Another advantage of the JF-17C is its ease of maintenance. The design allows for operation from bases with limited infrastructure, which is crucial for nations needing to keep fighters mission-ready in multiple regions without relying on extensive facilities. Although it is not a fifth-generation fighter, the JF-17C incorporates technologies that reduce its radar and thermal signatures, improving survivability. This is achieved through adjustments to the fuselage, the use of radar-absorbed materials, and careful weapon integration to minimize reflections. The philosophy behind the Thunder is clear: to offer a modern, reliable, and affordable fighter capable of facing contemporary threats with a good chance of success. While it may not directly compete with high-end fighters like the F-35 or Su-57, it excels at fulfilling the role for which it was designed. Looking at the JF-17C, it becomes clear that it symbolizes the ability of emerging nations to develop and operate competitive fighters on the global stage. It is an aircraft that balances cost, efficiency, and modernity, proving that the most expensive option is not always the most effective. With continuous technological advancements and potential future upgrades, the Thunder is expected to remain relevant for decades, solidifying its position as one of the most successful aircraft in the category of affordable yet technologically advanced fighters.